Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today I'm going to show you how to massage your occipital region and neck using a different kind of a tool. Now your occiput bone is right there, the back of your head, and it oftentimes gets really sore right underneath that where it's connecting to muscles. And if your fingers are sore, like mine happen to be, and you want an easy substitute, check it out. This particular insert for the Foot Friend multi-tool, doesn't that look perfect for neck? Well, it is. So you can rotate it left and right. You can go up and down like this. You can focus on one spot. You can go in a figure 8. You can work in the middle. It really gets it. And that wasn't a fart. That was my back squeezing against the board. Oh. Oh. Oh, yeah. Ooh. So oftentimes you can find tools that work for different purposes. Most of you know that this tool is meant for doing this. But as you can see, it works really great for your neck and occipital region too. So, thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you are well. Please like and subscribe and give a comment down below if you have a question, and I'll put the links for this product and other products in the description box down below.